Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to update your contact details on eBay. So to do that, we will need to use our browsing system. So open your preferred browser and search for eBay and open this official website of eBay. Then we need to enter a section called My eBay. This is this main icon at the top of your screen, and here go to your account, and here you see the section Personal Info, and then go to Personal Information. eBay website of eBay may ask you to sign into your account, so enter your password and press sign in button. And now we need to verify our identity, so you can do that through application notification or text. Let me show you how to do it using app notification. Press notify me, and then here in the notifications you should have basically notification. Go open it and press approve button. Then go back to website, and here here is my personal information, so username, contact information, my phone number and my address. And here you can edit your personal information by simply clicking edit and make some changes. And don't forget to save changes by pressing this save button. So that's basically how you can update your contact details on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.